What's going on, everybody? How is my filmmakers and photographers? Come back. I shot another roll through the K2 and I'll let you know how it came. Alright guys, so we went on a little trip down to Blue Ridge, Georgia, and I took the K2 with me on top of the Yakasha 35mm camera. I also had the Canon with me shooting pictures too, but I'll show a couple of those. But once again, I was really impressed by what this thing did. Now I took it with me again. This time I took it to South Carolina. Those pictures have not been developed yet. I'll get those developed pretty soon and you'll be able to see that one. But unlike my Tennessee Titans, this thing keeps impressing me. I don't know what it is about this camera, but even when I give it to Chloe, she comes up with some tremendous shots out of it, and I really like it. As far as something that I know I can pick up and be able to shoot something, and it's going to be really good. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be good. I can't wait. I've got something else coming here pretty soon that I will be shooting with, giving it a try, more manual, a little bit more manual, but not as much manual. Because let's just face it, I kind of suck sometimes, so I need all the automatic assist I can get. But anyways, let's get over here and let's look at some pictures real quick and see what y'all think. All right guys, so I'm gonna bring you the pictures from Blue Ridge, Georgia that we took while we was down there. Now I was using Kodak Gold Ultramax 400 through the whole weekend in this camera. In the Yakasha I was shooting 200. This one I was using 400, and well, like I said, this camera keeps impressing me. This one, I think the flash may have gone off on it, because looking at how bright everything is, I think the flash went off on that one. But in this one, it did not. This is all natural light. I thought I had the flash turned off, but outdoor pictures, I can't wait to get my pictures from South Carolina back. Gotta drop them off first. Outdoor wise, that's when this stuff shines. This 400, it shines like nobody's business. It brings out the colors. Even this is not a bad shot with the glare in it. It actually looks kind of cool. Right here in this picture, you'll see right up here is the Tennessee Georgia line. That's why that cursor's dancing around like a stripper in a strip bar. And then there's another picture of it, of that same thing. This one I actually have turned into a picture of just that glass right here with the water. Cut everything else out. Turned out really good, and it's actually online in a couple different places. People seem to really like it. There's my wife and daughter. They're going to be ticked that I posted that online. Here's same little market. Well, it's actually a little restaurant. They're starting to build a restaurant. It's very small, and they close the doors at like, I don't know, hell. Most old people don't go to sleep before they close the doors in this town. This is looking back down towards downtown Blue Ridge, and this is the Blue Ridge train, the Georgia Northeastern train, and the Blue Ridge Scenic Railway train. These pictures really turned out really good. I tried to take the same pictures with my DSLR, and it just was a crapshoot. It just did not work worth a darn. Let me pull a Lightroom up real quick and I'll show you. There's a couple more that I thought I pulled everything in. There's a couple more in Lightroom I'll show you real quick that turned out really, really, really good. Like I said, I'm really superly impressed with what this camera's doing. Yes, I do have it in full automatic. I'm not doing anything to make the pictures do anything. Does that make sense? But this is a picture Chloe took of herself, and there's a picture of myself with the DSLR on my neck. So the pictures, this thing, and I'm really excited to get my pictures back from North Carolina, because this right here just goes to show that, you know, outdoor pictures, it nails. And this was an overcast day. This was not a sunny day at all, and these pictures turned out really good, really clean, not overexposed, not underexposed. I could do some work in Lightroom with these and it would look a lot better. This one too, a little fogness there, you know, a little overexposed, I guess you could say. But I'm super impressed with this camera. This is a wall here that you can't tell, but the lake's right up here. This picture I think's been doctored already. See if I can get it to pull up. Yes, I cut the wall out, so you just got the mountains and clouds. Once again, I'm really impressed with the K2 and how it's putting out. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned. You don't know what I may be shooting next. Eventually I want to shoot some black and white to this thing, so stay tuned for that. We'll see you on the next one. Shoot something, film something, and post it somewhere. Later.